I am super excited about this polymer clay. I like how it comes in this storage case. Very easy to carry around with you. And I'll make this pin over here. The instructions are very easy and I read through them. They're very easy to follow and very fun things to make. Great ideas inside. I like the color combination that they have here. Plenty of colors and the tools as well. How fun is that? I'll be using those 3 colors. I would like to thank the brand for sending me this polymer clay to try, and I'm so excited to do a little brush here. I'll condition the clay, and I usually do earrings, polymer clay earrings, and I'm so excited about these colors. This will be my base, and I'll make petals now. I'll cut the petals. Make them in tiny ovals. And then putting them on the brush. And now with the tool, I'll just squeeze the petals in. Then I'll put the center. And I'll get this little tool with the little ball at the end. And I'll just squeeze this in. And this, how cute it is, a little pink flower. And I'll put a tiny bit bigger center. I thought it might look cuter. Yeah, I like this one better. And I'll go bake it now.